In this video, I'll be going over how to find the area of plane polygons. So let's start off with a rectangle. So its area is going to be equal to the base times the height. So let's say our base is equal to 4, and our height is equal to 3. So that means we'll just have the base, which is 4, times 3. That's going to be equal to 12. Now our next shape will be a square. Its area is equal to its side squared. So let's say its side is equal to 5. So that's going to be 5 squared, which is equal to 25. The area for a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. Let's say its base 6 and its height is 4. So we're going to have 1/2 times the base, which is 6, times 4. So we're going to have 1/2 times 6, that's 3, times 4, that's going to be equal to 12. Our next shape is a parallelogram, and the area for that's going to be area. It's going to be the base times the height. So our height is going to be equal to 4, and then the base is going to be equal to 7. So 4 times 7, that means our area is 28. Our next shape is a rhombus. And this one's a little different. Its area is equal to 1/2 times its first diagonal times its second diagonal. So let's say its first diagonal is equal to 8, and its second diagonal is equal to 4. So that means we have 1/2 times 8 times 4. So that means this is going to be, its area is equal to 16. Now the area for a trapezoid, that's going to be equal to 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2. So let's say the height is 2, the base 1 is equal to 5, and then the length of base 2 is equal to 8. So that means we'll have 1/2 times 2 times 5 plus 8. So that means we'll have 1 times 13. So that means its area is equal to 13. And then our last shape is just a regular polygon, so that'll be like a pentagon, hexagon, octagon. So basically just a shape with more than 5 or more sides that have equal sides. So that's going to be equal to 1/2 times the apothem, so let's make that small a, times the perimeter. So let's say, so the apothem is just the distance from one corner to the center. So let's say that was 2, and then the length of a side was 3. So in this case we have a hexagon, so that is a shape with 6 sides. So in a regular polygon, each of its sides is the same length. So that means its perimeter is going to be equal to 6 times 3. So our P is equal to 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. Now we can plug this in for our area. So we're going to have our area is equal to 1/2 times the apothem, which was 2, times our perimeter, which we found was 18, and that means that its area will be equal to 18.